Hey YouTube, it's your girl Dr. J, and we are here doing our second week of the summer of science. And I will say we cheated a little bit because the kids have been at camp for 2 weeks. So what they're actually showing you is something that they did they went to Camp Invention, and it was awesome. They were creating so many amazing projects. I was just floored, and what they did in their camp actually really helped me in creating another maker space for them in the house. So I'll be showing you guys that. But what they wanted to do was show you some cars that they built at camp that goes with our summer science theme for this week. So what they're going to do is each one is going to talk about what they did to build their cars, what sort of decisions they made, and then we're going to let you guys see how the cars run. So without further ado, again, we have Salamander, Speedster, and Faster Fox. So you guys can take it from there.
Sure. I made my car with balloons on it because every time it ran into the wall, all the stuff would fall off. So I put balloons on it. And when I put the balloons on it, all the stuff on the car wouldn't fall off.
Good job, Salamander. Next, we're going to have Speedster.
There was two designs to choose from. There was the windmill and the pulley, and I chose the pulley. And I have this handle back here so I can grab it easily. And the bumper on the front is not real big, so it's lightweight.
Okay, so that was Speedster. Now we have Faster Fox.
Mine has the fan, and I made some spirals so it can go in the air.
So she's talking about the designs that she made on her. So she made a windmill powered car, and as you guys can see, you guys keep seeing a yellow box on these. So the yellow box here is the motor for the cars, and there's a battery box on there as well. So these are pretty simple designs. I'm not sure where they got the kit from actually, so I will have to look it up and see where they got the kit from, but they're really neat because we have, what do you have here?
Rubber band.
A rubber band. And what does that rubber band do?
It spins the wheel.
So it attaches the wheel to what?
The motor, because the motor is powered by the battery, and that spins and it'll turn the wheel. And with the windmill, all you have to do is attach this yellow piece to the motor, and then you put the windmill on, and it spins. And there's supposed to be this yellow piece at the end to keep it from falling off. And with the pulley, you just put it there, and then you attach the rubber band to the yellow piece. And we each got bags, so we can change it from this to the windmill and the windmill to the pulley.
All right, so what we're going to do now is let you guys see how these cars run. So everybody get your cars ready. We're going to run it down this hallway. And guys, just so you know, you'll be seeing this hallway a lot because this hallway is part of my our engineering area, and I'm going to be showing you guys our engineering and physics area in a future video, probably in a few days or so. So you guys get ready for that. But this is kind of our drag way for when we do things that have a lot of motion with them, or if we build really, really large projects. So whose car is, why don't you go over there and work on your car? Whose car is ready to do a test run? Who's ready to show theirs?
I'll do it.
Okay, so Speedster is going to go first. And you guys can, let me move the mic. Okay, let's see your car go. All right, so
my bumper doesn't work. I figured that out at camp.
okay, so here's, bumped into just a little box that I have in the way. So now, now we have Salamander getting ready to do his run. Okay. All right, so Salamander made it all the way to the end of the hallway. So he did great. Okay, Speedster, do you want to do, okay, Faster Fox is ready to show hers. So Faster Fox, just bring yours here. And you guys can see her windmill spinning.
Mine goes in reverse.
Okay, so back up so we can watch it go. And hers is off. Oh, do you have your, do you need to attach anything to your wheels, or does it usually just go? Okay, so go and do some adjustments so we can see yours. Okay, anybody else want to do another run while Faster Fox is working on hers? Okay, Salamander is going to do another run of his car. So, you ready?
The rubber band.
Okay, you got to get another rubber band. Okay, so we're just, okay, while he's getting another rubber band, I'm going to show you guys another aspect to the car. You guys see these little wires, so it actually really teaches them about things like open and closed circuits and things like that. And you guys are going to see Salamander is able to make all the adjustments for his car. So go ahead and get your rubber band on there.
I lost my rubber band, so I got a new one.
Maybe you should turn your motor off while you're trying to put your rubber band on.
There's a wire that goes around this yellow part, and the yellow part is called a key. And this wire, whenever the gray wire gets put to the gray part of the battery, the car turns on.
Okay. All right, let's see. Faster Fox, are you ready? Okay, Faster Fox is ready to show her car. So we're going to let her get her run. So, Speedster, can you move out the way a little bit so that Faster Fox can have more space? All right, Faster Fox, we're ready to see yours. Hers is a wind power car. So it is going along. And all right, good deal. So hers didn't go as far, but that just shows us the difference in power that you can sometimes see. Whereas wind power, it tends to not be as strong as we sometimes see with a little bit more mechanical power. So
yeah, at camp, when we had the windmills, they were going like pretty fast, probably around like 3/4 as fast as these. These probably go a little faster.
Okay. All right, good deal. So that's Salamander. His car kind of did a turn, so that was pretty cool.
When my engine fell off, I lost the rubber band, so I got a new one, but it was too long, so I ended up moving it back.
Okay.
I'm gonna see if it can go straight this time. Yes, I hit that block again.
Okay, so we see that, and Faster Fox is doing a little more work on her car. So what we'll do is we will come back in another video and show you guys a little bit more of how her working with the engineering design process and how she's going to make some adjustments to her car. We've had these cars for about a week now, so they've been playing with them and different changes, and this is part of the process as well. Is she ready to show hers? Oh, okay.
All the cars have one pulley wheel, and the pulley wheel has a groove in it, so the rubber band can go around the wheel.
Oh, very good information, Salamander. Okay, Faster Fox is going to show her car going. So, Faster Fox, you want to show your car for us? So you guys see it taking off down the hallway. It is actually riding really good. Oh, you want to give it a... It's riding on hardwood floors that have kind of deep grooves, so I think hers is getting caught in the grooves because she has a more consistent pace. And so hers is doing really, really well down the hallway. So good job. So that was really good. So it's got a lot of space. And I think, Speedster, were you trying to show us another part of yours? Well, they're going to keep working with them, guys, and we'll keep trying to perfect these and get them working a little bit better. And we'll see what it's like to make work with some different materials. One thing is definitely for sure is that I'm actually definitely going to keep these motors because I can see how we could use them again in some future projects. And that's one of the things that I want to make sure that we do. So once again, thanks a lot, guys. This is Dr. J, and we want to say bye-bye to everybody. So bye-bye from Speedster and Salamander and Faster Fox. So say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks a lot, guys.